Can any customer amend your terms of service?
Isn't there a significant free market incentive that a social media company, including yours, has in order to safeguard the data of your users?
Across the country, asking if I had a new family or if there was a fake Facebook post of Chris Coons. I went to the one they suggested. It had a different middle initial than
Children to the most rapacious commercial predators.
There is now a bit more buzz online about Facebook looking into its own cryptocurrency through its secretive blockchain project, aka Facebook Coin. If Facebook has this intention now, is it pushing for its initiative at the right time? Is it a smart move to do so now that we are towards the end of the crypto bear market at this point of time? What are Facebook intentions and what does Facebook hope to achieve? Will this so-called secretive blockchain project be a disruption to the Bitcoin market that Bitcoin has already built for the past 10 years? Also, towards the end of this video, I would like to report on my BC Trader performance. This week is the second week which I have used the BC Trader. How is its performance so far compared to the last week's performance of 8% capital growth of my Binance account? Hello YouTube, I am Eugene Ying with Blockchain 360. Today is the 15th of March. If you find these topics interesting, I highly recommend you watch to the end of this video. Before the main story, here are the top 5 popular crypto news. In a correspondence between the SEC Chairman Jay Clayton and Representative Ted Budd, Jay Clayton relates that SEC analysis refers Ethereum and similar cryptocurrencies to not being securities. The chairman explained further that as long as the buyer of the cryptocurrency is not expecting a person or group to carry out entrepreneurial efforts, the cryptocurrency will then not be representative of an investment contract as evaluated by the Howey test. It was revealed recently that the Samsung S10 cryptocurrency wallet will only support Ethereum, ERC20 tokens, and 4 dApps. Bitcoin will not be supported as earlier reports suggested. The 4 dApps that will be supported are Engine, Cosme, CryptoKitties, and CoinDuck. On the 12th of March, the video trailer for the movie Crypto started going viral on YouTube. This new movie seems to be a typical money laundering and Wall Street style movie. The cast includes Kurt Russell and Luke Hemsworth. The plot seems simple, with the story where an examiner returning to his hometown falls in love with a woman of his past and somehow uncovers unexpected money laundering activities. The lawmakers of Colorado has just signed the Digital Token Act. The new law allows digital tokens that meet certain criteria will not be labeled as securities or be subjected to regulations that are used to regulate financial and investment instruments. The Bitcoin annual transaction volume of 2018, which is 1.3 trillion US dollar, is known to have surpassed the annual transaction volume of PayPal. PayPal's 2018 transaction volume is 578.65 billion US dollar. 2018 is not the first year Bitcoin annual transaction volume exceeded PayPal's. It has done so in 2017 as well. Now for the main story. So in this video, we explore Facebook's intentions of their blockchain project. We also want to find out if Facebook's blockchain project initiative is of the right timing, since they are proceeding with this project towards the end of this current bear market. We ask ourselves if this blockchain project will have any negative or positive impact onto the crypto and Bitcoin market. Before we dive right into this research, let's have a quick glance of what Facebook had been doing in the past and present in respect to this intention. About 10 years ago, in 2010, Facebook had released a payment system called Facebook Credit, which is sort of a token designed for members and advertisers to pay for the Facebook paid features and services. However, this Facebook Credit did not really materialize well because the conversion cost from fiat to this Facebook Credit was very high due to bank charges. There was no ready infrastructure to easily purchase the Facebook Credit without avoiding the high credit card or bank charges. In the last crypto rally in the bull market cycle of 2016 to 2017, Facebook announced that they will ban all Bitcoin and cryptocurrency related advertisements on Facebook advertising platform. It was precisely towards the end of 2018 that Facebook said it will block all advertising promoting cryptocurrency products and services. Facebook did say that they are open to emerging technologies but are against companies that were not acting in good faith and would prey on vulnerable investors. Facebook recognizes that there has been a wave of new cryptocurrencies which emerge seeking to ride on Bitcoin's huge increase in value. Due to this ban, there are some critics who speculate that Facebook does not like cryptocurrencies because itself may be planning to develop its own cryptos. There was even a joke floating around that Mark Zuckerberg simply got jealous that the Winklevoss brothers became the first Bitcoin billionaires. Nevertheless, this may be just casual speculations or jokes. 6 months after the ban, Facebook announces their reversal of this ban. They will continue to allow cryptocurrency paid advertisements on the Facebook advert platform. But there are caveats to this reversal. ICOs and binary options related paid adverts are still banned. This announcement was much welcomed by the crypto community, with some saying that Facebook has either felt the pinch of losing an advertising revenue by banning crypto-related advert, or Facebook realized that Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are a prevalent trend that it cannot choose to ignore. Then also reported on the blog crypto.com and Bloomberg that in December of 2018, Facebook is looking to develop a stable coin for its WhatsApp users. According to the report, this stable coin will be pegged to a basket of currencies, including the dollar, euro, and other national currencies, which will be held in Facebook bank accounts. Just recently, it is reported by the New York Times that Facebook has held talks with certain cryptocurrency exchanges that Facebook intends to sell to their Facebook coin to consumers and hopes to list their coin on these exchanges. Facebook targets to launch their coin in the first half of 2019. This Facebook blockchain project is apparently being worked on by a blockchain team. Although Facebook does not comment on their blockchain project, it is reported, however, that the blockchain team is led by David Marcus. Facebook has hired David Marcus, who is the former president of PayPal, to lead this project blockchain team. Before we elaborate the possible intentions and purpose for this Facebook blockchain project, we first have to look at the real statistics. According to Zephoria Digital Marketing, Facebook by the end of last year has close to 2.3 billion active users. WhatsApp, on the other hand, has more than 1.5 billion active users monthly by the end of 2017. This is according to the WhatsApp statistics at Statista.com. In 2018, Facebook revenues hits $55.8 billion US. However, according to an independent study by Ross Sandler with Barclays, if Facebook implements the Facebook coin, this blockchain project can potentially boost its annual revenue by another 19 billion in 2021 alone. This is a whopping 1/3 increase from its 2018 revenue. This is no exaggeration considering the fact that Facebook and WhatsApp has billions of active users each. So is it good timing that Facebook proceeds with its development work of its Facebook coin through its blockchain project? I would think so, since it is projected that Facebook can boost its yearly revenue by another estimated 19 billion in 2021 if Facebook is to launch its cryptocurrency this year. This is easily supported by its billions of global active users both on Facebook and WhatsApp. This project would certainly be more successful compared to the Facebook credit payment system, which Facebook tried to work on 10 years ago. This is because 10 years back, Facebook was at its infancy and had a very small number of users compared to the current year. Another possible reason this is good timing is because the current bear market is coming to an end. It is projected by many expert crypto traders that in the coming bull market cycle, crypto adoption will be on its massive rise. Therefore, there may be much more Facebook and WhatsApp users adopting the Facebook coin during the bull market cycle rather than in the bear market cycle. On the notion or concern that Facebook coin could potentially disrupt Bitcoin, I would laugh it off as FUD, FUD. Let's not forget that Facebook coin is centralized and is a stablecoin. It being centralized, it will not gain the trust of its users as much as the trust which Bitcoin has gained from the Bitcoin global users over the past 10 years. It is not being decentralized means that its transaction ledger as a currency token is not immutable. Bitcoin network is currently the most decentralized network with more than 10,000 nodes. Therefore, Bitcoin's immutability is a more reliable open blockchain-based currency than another closed centralized block token like Facebook coin. Saying so, Facebook coin is merely another payment processor similar to JP Morgan coin. However, the fact that it being a stablecoin, it most likely will be readily adopted by the Facebook and WhatsApp users easily. After all, its price will not be as volatile as a stable coin. As users get exposed to the Facebook blockchain project, the infrastructure for the users to adopt the Facebook coin will be made available to them. Infrastructure such as the QR code system on mobile, crypto wallets, and crypto exchanges. This Facebook coin adoption is indirectly paving the way for more crypto adoption. Later, these Facebook coin users will then find it easier to adopt Bitcoin as well. After all, Bitcoin has its own branding and global functions. Not all global merchants will be accepting Facebook coin, but for these merchants, when it comes to cryptocurrency, majority of merchants accept Bitcoin if they choose to accept cryptocurrency. To conclude this main story, here is the summary of the main points. Facebook is confirmed working on its blockchain project to launch its Facebook coin. It has delivered David Marcus to lead the team and has talked to exchanges on the listing of the Facebook coin. To be developing its Facebook coin now is good timing as Facebook and WhatsApp have billions of active users, so launching its coin is projected to boost its yearly revenue by another 19 billion in 2021.
It is also good timing because the next bull cycle is about to start, maybe end of this year. Facebook coin will not be a contender to Bitcoin as it is not a decentralized cryptocurrency and of a open blockchain token. Facebook coin may inevitably help boost cryptocurrency adoption, including Bitcoin adoption in the near future. Before we play the video outro, a quick run through of my BC Trader performance result for this week. Last week, I made a 8+% of my cryptocurrency capital in Binance using the BC Trader. This week, my Binance account has reached 2.7137 Bitcoin worth of cryptocurrency, as you see here in my Binance account. I have tabulated this in my report table. With this, you can see that this week's BC Trader performance is not as good as last week, but to date I still have made 6.61% since from the beginning of this month of March. This is still good as my initial target using this BC Trader is 10% monthly.
This BC Trader is a fantastic system because it helps me make intelligent trades between two cryptocurrencies automatically as the cryptos go volatile in respect to each other. It is very passive for me as it works for me to monitor the market and makes the needed trades even while I sleep at night. If you wish to learn more about this BC Trader and understand more about it, please attend my webinars which I conduct on Zoom. The schedules for my Zoom webinars are listed in my meetup.com pages. To access this schedule, please refer to the resources links in the description of the video below or in the channel description page. Do look out for the webinar sessions called Future of Money 3.0, which is the demonstration of the BC Trader.
I hope you have enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you have any comments, please proceed to comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscription button. Until the next video, have a fantastic week ahead.
Blockchain 360.